Hey, let's talk about Sandalwood moisturizing cream. If you haven't seen this yet, this stuff is amazing. And it's a little expensive, so cash in your points on this. But this is a very thick, creamy moisturizer. So if you have dry skin anywhere, this is perfect. I've even used this on my face. I have dry skin anyway, but in the wintertime it gets more dry. And it's great even on your face, and it doesn't irritate anything. It's not too moisturizing to where it's oily, but this stuff is like a luxury cream. I tell everyone about it. The smell is wonderful because it's sandalwood. The quality is good because it's Young Living. But if you are looking for a thick, creamy moisturizer that will help nourish your skin, I highly suggest Sandalwood Moisturizing Cream. Again, you can cash in your essential reward points for this, so then you can get it for free. So enjoy.